Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is a smart glove that controls the home automation. Smart glove for a deaf and dumb and controlling the home appliances also. So in this project we are using one 9 volts adapter power source and we are converting into 5 volts pure DC output. This is transmitter part, and we are using 80 mega 2x60 board, and we are using total 4 flux sensors, 2.2 inch flux sensor. Those are connected with A0, A1, A2, A3 analog input pins, and 16 cross 2 LCD display. It is connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pin number, and RF 433 MHz transmitter module, ST12A encoder. It is 4-bit mode format. It is connected with the A8, A9, A10, A11 pin numbers, and APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, and those are connected with pin number 14 to pin number 21 GPIO pin numbers. And we are the outputs are the flux 1, first flux 1 bending, I am thirsty. F2 bending, I am hungry. F3 bending, I need my medicine. F4 bending, I want to use washroom. F192 finger 192 bending, hello, how are you. Finger 3, 4 bending, I want to play a game. 1 2 3 finger bending, thank you. 2 3 4 finger bending, goodbye. At a time 1 2 3 4 home automation. And in the receiver module, it is connected with the 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and it is converting into 5 volts pure DC output. Arduino Uno R3 board, and HT12D decoder IC. It is connected with the 4-bit mode format. Those are connected with 7654 GPIO pin number. And fan, it is connected to the 8th pin. Relay and one DC bulb, it is connected to the 9th pin. Let us coming into the hardware part. We are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, 80 mega 2x60 board. This is reset button, USB programming, 80 mega 2x60 IC, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. It is connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pin number. RF 433 transmitter module. So ST12E encoder IC, RF 430 transmitter module. Okay, and the receiver module is RF 433 MHz receiver module. APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, M0 to M7 pin numbers. So total 8 outputs. So there are 4 flux sensors. Those are connected with F1, F2, F3, F4. Those are connected with A0, A1, A2, A3 pin numbers. And the output pin numbers are A8, A9, A10, A11, ST12A pin numbers. So receiver module is connected with the 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, DC SPDT relay coil, 5 volts relay module, and the small bulb, and DC motor, and RF 433 receiver module. Okay, so I'm giving the power supply. Okay, smart glove for deaf and dumb, normal sine mode format. Okay, normal sine mode format. So now I'm going to bend the finger.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty. Second finger.
I am hungry. I am hungry.
Third finger bending.
I need my medicine.
I need my medicine. Okay, fourth finger bending.
I want to use washroom. I want to use washroom.
Then 1 and 2.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
3, 4.
I want to play a game.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
2, 3, 4.
I need my medicine. I want to play a game. I want to play a game.
Okay.
I need my medicine.
Then 1, 2, 3, 4 at a time. Home automation. Okay, home automation. Okay, first finger bending, bulb on. Okay, second finger bending, bulb off. Okay, third finger bending, fan on. fourth finger bending, fan off. Okay, see this, fourth finger bending, fan off. Okay, now I'm going for the first finger, bulb on. Third finger, fan on. Okay, second finger bending, bulb off, and fourth finger bending, fan off. Okay, so these are the 4 fingers at a time. One more time, finger 1. Okay, now we need to go for the main loop. Press reset button. Smart glove for deaf and dumb, normal mode. Okay, 1.
I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am hungry. I am hungry.
Okay, I
I
need
need my medicine.
Okay, fourth finger.
I want to use washroom.
All
I
fingers
want to
at a
use
time.
washroom.
All fingers at a time bending, home automation. Okay, now go to bulb on, bulb off, fan on. Okay, fan on, and then fan off, fan off, fan off. Okay, power supply board, RF 433 MHz transmitter module, Arduino Uno R3 board. Okay, and 16x2 LCD display, APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, and RF 433 receiver module. And this is a 5 volts power supply board, bulb, SPDT relay coil, Arduino Uno R3 board, and DC motor. Okay, and this is our block diagram.